that's all you do is you just boop and then boop and that's it?
What?
For filming?
Yeah. You get to see yourself. I know, this camera is like the best. I'm really excited about it. Alright, so today you're gonna try to stitch up this seat. I don't know how well it's gonna go, but got little curvy needles to get under there and some upholstery thread. So we'll see how this go.
Look at that.
Try to rewire the radio.
It's getting there. I'm like halfway done. Where did I start? Like here? Yeah, it's not coming out too bad. I don't really know what I'm doing, but you know. You can see where I pulled it too tight, but you know what? It's not going anywhere. We're almost done. Kind of messed it up here, but it's okay. That's at least done, but I have to stitch an entire panel in on the other side. I'll have lots of practice soon. Practice makes better, not perfect.
Practice makes gooder.
Yeah, practice makes gooder. Wise words of Manda Panda. That's the gas out of the Miata. That's the one out of the Prelude. That nasty, nasty, nasty.
This is nasty.
And that's nasty, but that's nastier.
Sure.
That's why the car won't stay running.
3-inch solid steel.
So, the reason the Miata wouldn't stay running is this beautiful little tear in the hose that connects to the airbox where the AFM is. So we gotta go get a new one. Hopefully that'll fix it. The throttle still doesn't want to work, but step one.
At least in my work.
Chest, little ass nigga.
Right there.
Still can't give it throttle, but not sure if you guys can hear it or not, but the Miata is running and idling on its own. Javi's been pretty much slaving over this thing, right? Slaving?
Yes.
Slaving. And right now it sounds like it has a rotary in it.
You got it direct to idle,
Can you give it any like gas at all yet?
Yesterday I could. I don't know if I can do it right now. I could try it, but it might.
They might kill it. If you guys have any ideas for what's going on besides possibly bad gas, maybe a bad sensor or something, let us know, because we're kind of at a weird standstill of why it sometimes wants to idle and why it sometimes does not. But we also can sometimes give it gas and sometimes not give it gas. Sometimes if you give it any throttle at all, it just dies. So I don't know. I will probably this week be fixing that upper ball joint. But yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job. He just really doesn't want to drive the S2000 anymore, so he wants to drive the Miata.
Not every day.
But I'm gonna drive the Miata. He's gonna drive the CRV, he just doesn't know it yet. Huh? What? Nothing?
It says the one who doesn't want to drive the CRV.
What?
It says the one who doesn't want to drive the CRV.
I know, but manual is more fun for the most part. I miss cruising in a Miata. I enjoy the days that I get to take the S2000 out. Hey guys, look, we have a house guest. He's a spider. He got stung by a wasp because we have wasp nests in the Miata still.
Got stuck by the Prelude.
Yeah, he had to air up the tires, so he went to move it, and I guess she's smoking even worse than before, which really sucks. But that thing will be in there soon. Bye.